Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be trying to make an animation. So I haven't have any experience before, so I'm gonna try to make a new game with an animation on. So first I have a new sprite. I'm gonna name it player. And I'm gonna name this project animation. There. First, I'm gonna try to make this cat from here to walk over here. So there should be another costume here. So first, when green flag click, go to this position, show, then forever, change X by 3. Wait, 5. Then while at the forever loop, next costume. So this should go like this. Yeah. I'm gonna wait 0.7 seconds in between. Actually, 0.3 seconds in between. Um, what about 0.1 second in between? Wait. Actually, I'm gonna make my own costume. So, I'm gonna delete this costume, then make a new Stickman costume. With only outline, a face, and a body. Wait. And this is my person. Great. Um, there. Now I'm gonna duplicate this to make an animation. Let's try this. So it's supposed to walk, so like I'm gonna delete this and this to make another thing right here. There. Pretty cool. Next, this should be good. And yay, an animation. Next, I'm gonna make a new sprite called person. Actually, NPC. I'm gonna make a circle with, and it's blue. Not like that. I'm gonna make it round right here. Yay. And I'm gonna go to code, to player, take an if equal exposition equals to here 36, 36, then stop this sprite. So it's walking, walking, walking. Oh. About larger than 35. Its position has to be larger than 35 to stop this script. There. Now stop right there. Once it stops its script, I'm also going to broadcast message 1, which is going to say hello. Now go to NPC. When green flag click, hide. Events, when I receive hello, show. Then go back to player. When I receive hello, go to looks, say yo or hello. Okay, this is good. Hello. Then go to NPC, say hello after when you show. Wait. Wait for 2 seconds and say hello. So it's walking, walking. There. Hmm. Now I should make a. Oh, make this NPC holding a hot dog. So I'm going to duplicate this, make some hands for this guy, and then hold a hot dog, which I'm going to draw. Make it orange, kind of brownish, then there. Need a sausage, which is red, I think. Wait. Now I need a red sausage. Actually, I don't need a sausage. I just need the sauce. So I'm making the sauce right now. There. That's the hot dog. And some mustache. He. Wait, actually, I don't. There, I'm done. My hot dog. So I'm gonna name costume 2 hot dog. Now, next, after saying hello, say, do you want this hot dog? Then switch costume to hot dog. So first you switch costume to costume 1, then switch costume to hot dog. So now it should look like this. Hey, hello, do you want this hot dog? And then the player is gonna say, wait for 4 seconds, and then go to looks, think, and then say, yes, please. No, I mean, there, yes, but very angry mode. I mean, like, disrespectful mode. After that, NPC is gonna say, okay. Wait, okay. After waiting for 4 seconds, now you're gonna give this hot dog to player. After saying okay, bye, saying bye, and the player is also gonna say bye. After waiting 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Now he's gonna take the hot dog, so I'm gonna duplicate this costume to costume 3. Actually, I'm not, because I'm gonna make another costume. After saying bye, I'm gonna hide this player, and this NPC, I'm gonna hide this NPC. I'm gonna paint a new one called not player. So technically, I'm just gonna copy this player, even though it's not player. So he's supposed to have the hot dog right here. Copy, paste, and this is the hot dog. So it should go like this. Wait. When green flag click, go to 0, 0 and hide. Also go to player right before this hide block. Broadcast. This is so small. So go to not player. When I receive this is so small, then show. Yeah, technically. So I'm looking at the animation, looking great. Hello, hello. Do you want this hot dog? Hmm. Yes. Okay. Bye. Bye. Okay, so go to this not player. Wait. Say bye for 2 seconds, not 4. When I receive this is so small, show and then say, and I'm gonna say, why is this hot dog so small? And then say, maybe he gave me a mini hot dog. And then say, I'm very hungry. Uh, hungry. Now go to costume. I'm gonna make a new costume. Only this hot dog. Make it supreme large. And then put some green stuff in there. There. And then switch costume to costume 2. First set size to 100. No, actually. Yeah, this is good enough. Now, and then say, wait, also I need the hands to make sure this looks realistic. Right here. His hand. Um, his hand is right here. No need to worry. Say, why is there green stuff? Oh. Switch costume to costume 2. Why is there green stuff on my hot dog? And then question mark. Then say cap lock. Maybe. Let me delete this whole sentence. Maybe that person gave me a expired hot dog. Okay, let's see. Wait. Yeah. Expired hot dog. So he's walking, looking great, right? Hello, hello. Do you want this hot dog? Hmm. Yes. Yes. Okay. Bye. Bye. Why is this hot dog so small? Maybe it gave me a mini hot dog. I'm very hungry. Why is there green stuff on my hot dog? Maybe the person gave me an expired hot dog. Oh no! Okay, so this is okay. So this is technically my first episode on making my animation. Episode one. Episode one of the expired hot dog with green stuff on it. Yay! So this is my first project. I am gonna post it on YouTube. Great, so this is end of my making this animation episode. Bye! And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!